Welcome back. Before I go further my tutorial, I would like to introduce Epoint products. Basic need is the cashier terminal, come with receipt printer and cash drawer. You may add rear-mounted customer display that allows you to display itemized order price to your customers. Beside that, you may add second screen display come with ES media module. Allow customer to view entire bill with total amount. You also allow displaying your ongoing promotion and announcement at advertisement display area. We are able to integrate with weighing scale machine to measure every single item, which required for measurement calculation to determine weight for the price. Like ice cream, vegetables, cookies, meat, even though live seafoods as well. We also able to integrate with barcode printer to print out the label price tag for retail items. Label description for bubble tea cup or any drink and food container required to take away. Wristband for theme park entrance by collaborate with turnstile validity. Or even to print out the hard ticket for events or shows, include barcode validation on drink coupon as well. Barcode scanner is in place for retail price tag scanning. We also able to use QR code scanner to scan membership ID apps to earn and redeem by points, accept stamps, vouchers, or even can deduct prepaid credit store value as well. Our systems is ready to collaborate with e-wallet like GrabPay, Alipay, WeChat Pay, and others e-wallet as well. You may add an ordering terminal for your floor staff to place order through ordering terminal. Receipt printer is for printout as customer present bill for payment collection. Besides, add in ordering terminal. E-waiter concept allowing your floor staff to place orders through mobile tablet directly. E-menu module is for portable tablet POS tool to take orders right at the table, get instant pairing recommendations to help upsell, transmit orders directly to the kitchen. We also had smart ordering solutions. By using customer-owned mobile, just scan QR code docket provided by waiter, menu will appear in a glance at mobile screen. Customer just easily places their order through mobile. Able to accept multiple people orders from same table, consolidate in same bill. Smart ordering supports dine-in, takeaway, self-pickup, or even delivery, integrates direct to third-party delivery platform. Systems able to accept credit card, debit card, and e-wallet. At kitchen area, we support multiple kitchen printers. Print out according designated kitchen printer. We also had various types of kitchen display solutions, like line-by-line item display, by receipt display, by preparation display, collaborate with timer countdown. Self-ordering kiosk solutions, able to save labor cost, reduce ordering time, increase sales turnover, upsell items with interactive image manner, take up cashless and cash collection solutions, and improved customer satisfaction. Queue management systems, established to keep queue organized, customer safety distance, increase customer retention rates, and improved staff performance. Snap View app allows the customer to view real-time sales data and status breakdown by outlet on the go. Owner able to access anywhere as long have internet. Back office systems are a platform for users to create and maintain selling items, as well as promotion and viewing of reports. Epoint Cirrus Cloud Solutions is a hybrid POS solution supporting both real-time and offline. With our cloud solutions, your product codes, promotions and sales are automatically synced across all outlets. Everything is a few clicks away. We able to plugging accounting or centralized system, ERP, like OS Trio, SAP, Navision, Epica, and etc. To support bigger organization, provide real-time information across departments in your organization, such as inventory department to check stock availability, or even raw material on production department for advanced material requirement planning process. increases productivity, reduced material cost, reduced overheads effectively on human resources management. Business intelligence tool is to collect all the messy information and tidy up in organized manner. Allow navigate your data by your own. It helps business owners to learn more about your customers' spending pattern. Analytics such as promotion effectiveness, control wastage, minimized your cost and improved your sales by matching with your customer buying behavior. Our partners include Food Market Hub. Food Market Hub's solution has effectively digitized thousands of food and beverage businesses, making procurement, ordering and inventory management effortless. How manage suppliers' chats, place and receive orders all within only one platform. Update and keep track of inventory count and value anytime, anywhere through your mobile device. Access and monitor your profit and loss data at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. Remember to following us in Facebook as below link.